Hey everyone, today we are at Richmond Staten Island Auto. We are standing north side of Mosel Avenue facing Pierce Street, Staten Island, New York 10301. Usually we took a Staten Island Expressway West to the Clove Road Exit, and then get up on the exit and continue until you come to the Richmond Road, and then make a left turn, and then make another left turn and next intersection. Again, it's better to use a cross street, which is Mosel Avenue and facing Pierce Street. Again, we are standing on Mosel Avenue, north side of it, and facing Pierce Street, and we are at Mosel Auto. So we're just gonna drive you around the area and probably show you how is the roads here and what's the tricky over here. Anyway, we're gonna pull into the traffic. Again, we are still going northbound on Mosel Avenue. Let me just get into the traffic. We are at again we are Mosel Avenue. This is Mosel Loop on the right side, so we're just going straight. The first time you see a stop sign, again if you see a regular stop sign, you must stop twice, right? So before the line. Second time we're stopping for traffic, we're going right and look, nobody's coming. We're going straight. On the right side is a dead end, and guys, as you can see on the ground, there is a broken yellow line. So again, and if you see it's very narrow, you can slow down, so you just have to be very safe on that side. So we're just driving straight. We're just driving along with a solid yellow line. This is a bump, and this bump you should speed limit is 20, so you should reduce 20, less than 20. It's less than 20. There's a lot of bump, as you can see. Alright, we're still on the Mosel Avenue, just going straight. And here's the bump again. Just gonna we're gonna make a left turn. It seems like this is a community, so we're just gonna go straight still. So we're gonna make a right turn here. We're just gonna come around this block. We're just gonna take the Mosel Avenue. This is very narrow, and on the stop sign we're gonna make a left turn. This is a regular stop sign. We're gonna stop twice. Just be careful. Look for the traffic on the left side. Again, we are going southbound on Mosel Avenue. Again, there is a bump again. We're gonna go less than 20. It says the bump should pass less than 20. My video probably look I'm driving with speed. Actually I'm going less than 20, guys. So as you can see, a lot of housing community here, so not much option going right or left. So this is Mosel Avenue still. We're gonna make a right turn. Here is the sign. You could see it says the narrow road, and you should be 15 miles per hour. Okay, so since this is narrow, we're gonna drive 15, and we're gonna make a right turn on a stop sign. Again, this is a regular stop sign, and it's kind of like broken yellow line, so just slow down, and you should stop twice. Stop again. Again, on the left side is a dead end. Even though there is no yellow line, it's a two-way, guys. So since there is a yellow line, I'm gonna stay on the right of the yellow line. We're gonna make a just going straight. We are at Necker Avenue. Again, there is no stop sign, so you should be going straight. We're gonna make a left turn here, and it seems like this is one way. And here's a stop sign, and this is always a stop sign. We'll make a left turn at Pierce Street. We are at Handover Avenue and Pierce Street. We're making a left turn, and this is always a stop sign. Okay, again, Pierce Street, you cannot go on the other side, so you're gonna go to the left. We are at Necker Avenue and Pierce Avenue. Pierce Street. We're making a left turn. Again, this is wide one-way street, so you should be in the middle. And we're gonna make a right turn here. So you're at Necker Avenue, you're making a right turn. We're going straight. We're making right on Alvey Avenue. Again, this is two-way and it's very narrow. You're gonna be more to the right side, close to the right side car, because there is no solid yellow line. So here's the Pierce Street. We're gonna make a left turn. Again, this is a regular stop sign. We're gonna stop twice. Then we're making a left turn. We're gonna make a left turn on Mosel Avenue. That's where we started in the beginning. The regular stop sign. Again, this is very, it's a lot of cars. You will see a lot of traffic, so just be careful when you are. Make sure you are clear for the traffic. Look around. We're making a left turn, and we're gonna pull over to the right side. Here's it, guys. Guys, this is very narrow, and I know it's very short. Again, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, and good luck to you all.